Hello, people. It's a good day throughout the world. Okay, let's go ahead and watch me now for you to protect yourself. This concerned to all senior citizen or aged old parents. Okay, for now, if you are living with your children in good situation, it's better for you. But for those who are not senior citizen, okay, I suggest you to detach for now. Immediately find your home and get ways and means to live alone peacefully. Do not waste your time to begging for your love, care, and the means of your living from your children. Okay, for those children um, who don't accept, for those children who do not accept their old age parents, don't you worry, because you can really receive the reset of karma.